going on, guys, and welcome back to Project SRT. And today just doing another little pop-up meet. Not too major, just a little Sunday. It's nice out. Figured I'd go ahead and get some type of little car meet in. Weather's nice, my car is dirty. Not that it really even matter. Hey, I like the shirts though. I don't know if y'all can see it real good, but for anybody that want it, just hit me up. I'll get it to you for real cheap. Just to get everything going. I got a couple different colorways I'm gonna do as well. So yeah, just stay tuned. Just at a little pop-up meet, I'm gonna show you what's here. Probably talk about what my future plans is with the car without exposing myself too much. So yeah, stay tuned. Oof. It's clean. Got a vet Cobalt SS 350Z. What they say, catch me in Mexico. How about that? I'm weak. I don't know if y'all see that. That's funny. It's clean. And it's a stick. Everybody got their cars all cleaned up, oiled up and stuff. This is nasty though. This is nasty. Whew. Yeah, that's hard. What's going on? This is hard. Hellcat Z01 GTR. Said he will beat any Hellcat that you call out. 1,000 horsepower, whatever. So, you want to race him? Show you his Instagram. Henley said that because the person he ride with got a 1,000 horsepower Hellcat, but I don't think he can beat that one. Check the little car over here. Got the slam cars. Thought that was a woman car. Yeah, we just started though. So, got a couple people that's gonna pull up. Might get a couple rolls in. We shall see. So just stay tuned. Suicide Garage. Yep. Just stay tuned. See them over there. Dirty car. Cut it back on when more cars show up. They could be like, what is going on? It's kind of different. Big dog. Dog bigger than you.
That's just pretty tough. Look at the wing on that.
That's a wang. That's a wang. That's ugly. I think they're trying to get this Z to run the S7 daily driver for 100.
I could race you on a dig and give you a car.
You gotta give me 2. I'll do it. I'll do 2.
I'll be both those things.
Give me 2 cars, 8 mile. I'll do it. I know I'm losing, dude. I know I'm losing. I just want to sit. I'll be sucking stuff. I'm literally just gonna give you the money before we even do it.
I actually have a private track. My dad owns a bunch of like,
Sweet shirt.
yeah, and I got a lane anytime. Oh, hell yeah. I can switch cars again and tell the cops.
Got it dressed up under there. Cool. VTEC. It's a VTEC. Just a little bit more people showing up. Carbon fiber. Two 06s. This the ATSV? I think this is ATSV. It's smaller. Yeah, what is this? A4, S4, S3, something. It's clean and it's a stick shift. Carbon fiber wing. S4. Clean. Got regular bystanders coming over just to look at some cars. Starting to get a little bit of crowd. Me only been going on for like an hour, so stay tuned. They might get some runs in. They're calling people out right now. Cleaning up the 750.
Across the street and really got back there.
Yeah, as soon as you apply the brakes, it's gonna spray brake dust everywhere. I think I get them, I think they're carbon ceramics. Where's the S7 owner?
He went in the GTR.
Huh?
He just hopped in the GTR.
That sounds crazy. So I'm gonna try to see if he wants to run the BMW.
I don't.
The S7.
Oh, you don't have one? I can send you a text message. I can send you a text message.
How much power he got? How much power he got?
Said 4. You write his number.
16,
Well, that's all-wheel drive, isn't
but
it?
he beats the 500.
Yeah.
It's probably closer to 5.
Give it a rev. Ooh, you got the little popcorn going. Okay, then. It's rolling.